Throughout time, Mother Nature has guarded many secrets. The curative powers of plants have been kept alive by man's necessities. Natural is healthier, and almost nobody can doubt this, and it has been the starting point of SORIA Natural and its founding belief for almost 30 years. In the beginning, SORIA Natural painstakingly studied the qualities of medicinal plants, to later distribute them and share their benefits with the world. At that time, natural medicine was the groundbreaking in this region, and since then, SORIA Natural has become the phytotherapy leader in Spain, or the curing through the use of medicinal plants. The laboratory of SORIA Natural is found in the quaint Sorian town of Garay, located at the foot of the famous Roman and Celtiberian archaeological site of Numancia. It is cradled by the Urbian mountain range and irrigated by the river Duero. A harsh climate, environmental purity, and little contamination favors the concentration of active principles in the plants that grow in the region. All these contribute to the quality that characterizes SORIA Natural products. A high percentage of plants and vegetables used by the company are cultivated in its own fields, located along the Duero. At an altitude of 1,250 meters above sea level, the manufacturing process is done completely in SORIA Natural's facilities, and together with the laboratory's work and quality control department, they guarantee the effectiveness and the quality of all products that appear under this brand. SORIA Natural was born in 1982, at a time when the natural medicine market in Spain was barely known. The founder was Antonio Esteban, a great connoisseur of natural medicine. In the 1970s, Antonio ran a gearbox factory in Garay for industrial vehicles, which did not survive the severe recession of that decade. It was at that time that Antonio decided to dedicate his body and soul to the project that would become SORIA Natural. He began himself by packaging plants in plastic bags. In order for the company to grow, it was necessary to sophisticate the process, and for this reason, Antonio Esteban decided to open a small factory for the harvesting and transformation of medicinal plants. This was SORIA Natural's first big step. SORIA Natural statistics speak for themselves. At present, more than 400 professionals work for the company. It has 2 production laboratories, one in Garay, another in Mexico, and branches in the United States, Germany, and Portugal. In addition, it distributes its products to 24 countries, has more than 700 references, and has increased its sales from almost 12 million euros in 1996 to more than 35 million in 2010. Throughout its history, SORIA Natural has been a steady growth. Dynamism, total quality based on 3 types of controls on the raw materials, the transitional product, and the final product. Continuous research, workforce, and its own crops are the foundations on which Antonio Esteban, the founder, a deep believer and mentor of medicinal medicine, has built his enterprise on. SORIA Natural invests 5% of its profits every year to the research of new medicinal plant applications and products. It has a pioneer center, I+D+I, in the sector's national and European laboratories, which has a pilot factory of superficial fluids and a laboratory of glass cultures. In addition, it is developing jointly with various hospitals, universities and research centers, such as cancer research programs, that have enabled the adaptation and application of these studies to new products and extend SORIA Natural's catalogue. The company cultivates in its own plantations 300 hectares, of which more than 200 are certified organic. 50% of the raw materials that it uses in the manufacturing of its products. SORIA Natural implements in all of its manufactured products a demanding system of environmental management based on the European norm ISO 14001-2004, This system is affiliated with the norms ISO 9001, elaborated by Technical Committee ISO TC 176, and GMP, or Good Manufacturing Practice. That is accredited to SORIA Natural before the sanitary authorities of any country of the world, like a laboratory that fulfills the strictest rules and requirements of quality in the whole process of manufacture. There are two more divisions, the first being HOMEOSOR, the pharmaceutical division established in 1995 to create and develop a wide range of medicine from previous generations that combine the standards of natural medicine with the most recent advances of conventional medical science. Their facilities and vanguard equipment allow them to surpass GMP standards of medicine manufacture, placing it at the top of the biological pharmaceutical laboratories at a worldwide level. The second division centers its efforts in the production and commercialization of organic food. Its abundant catalogue is certified by the Council of Organic Agriculture of Castile and Leon, who guarantee the fulfillment of all the technical and legal requirements demanded by the EU to obtain the classification of organic. From its creation, SORIA Natural has centered its efforts in promoting natural medicine in Spain. The success of SORIA Natural is due to rigorous quality control, an ambitious research and development plan, and a committed workforce.